Hello, my people. How na day from Untouchable Man. Thank you for being on my YouTube channel, also on my Facebook page. Now do well. Now do well. I thank all of una. I thank all of una. May God bless everybody. Now do well. Now do well. My brothers and sisters, wetin I wan rush talk this morning, na about Obaseki of Edo State. People wey just dey draw a leg, dey draw a hand. Me, I no dey for any party. I no even dey for anybody. But all these things come dey too much. Every day, Obaseki. Obaseki must not come again. Obaseki must come. Ija, una suffering na. Since when that man just come, they no give am rest of mind. Tomorrow you go hear Obaseki. Today, Obaseki. Wetin dey go on? This Obaseki wey dem dey talk so na Benin o. People wey dey do am so na Benin. Wetin dey worry some Benin wey their head no dey correct? Wetin dey do una? Una leave that man alone. Na so una talk for Buhari o. Buhari must not come again. Buhari must not do this again. Who dey today? No be Buhari. So una leave Obaseki alone. Because people wey wan vote for Obaseki o, wey no wan vote for am, na Benin there dem dey, na Edo State dem dey. Una just dey shout gbogbo for social media. Thank God say wetin una dey talk, wetin una dey shout put, na inside that social media dey die put, because nobody dey watch una for that Edo State o. Who get time? People dey find money dey go. When dem wan take eat, when dem wan take pay house rent, na dem come dey lis ten to una. Obaseki must not come back. Obaseki must come back. You see when some of them wey dey support am, na some dem go dey curse their self. The other one wey no dey support am, na some dem go dey na wa for una o. My people, wetin dey go on? Benin people, wetin dey go on? Obaseki just come. E never even sit down for seat sef before dem start to dey shout im name. Obaseki, you are not doing this. Obaseki, you are not doing that. Me, I no know whether Obaseki dey do or whether e no dey do. Because if you really wan know say Obaseki dey do something, no dey do something, go to that Edo State, make you go see am with your eyes. Some people for that Edo State, then they see the talk and say, na Obaseki they go vote for. Now you see some say they no want vote for now. No be we wey dey here. Now even though someone has shot go reach next year. Next year. Wetin go happen, e don happen. Buhari must not come back. Buhari must not come back. Who dey for today? No be Buhari. I know say corruption still there everywhere with him, because they use mago to they do am. But all these people where they shout every blessed day about Obaseki must not come back. Obaseki must not come back. Mona go Nigeria now. Huh? Because not be we where they this and now we where they this and they watch out. Because those people where they for Nigeria, they know they watch. They not get free Wi-Fi to watch am. They not even free pay to say that to the watch am. Me where are you life? Huh? Mona carry on our leg. Mona go that Nigeria. Mona go tell the people where there those states why they not go vote Obaseki. Una just go ITV. Because people then they watch it telly. Because they know they listen to all this social media. Telly, if you just go there, they'll cost you. The reason why you say they not vote for Obaseki, they there for a year. Because all those una bogo, biggie, today Obaseki, next tomorrow Obaseki. Where till they go on? The fire too much. Mona still less than small. Obaseki walk o, e no walk o, no be we where they decide go no. Mona go house, Mona go see am. If you reach those states, you go really use your head to see whether he really work or he not try or he try small. Una even though say person try self, una say not do anything. That time we show mo le come. Then say na show baba o. Later, then say na Oviakbo na come be o. He not do anything o. Waiting. All these things don't too much. Obaseki there, Obaseki here, Obaseki must not come. Obaseki must come. We not come know the one come there again. Mona go house, Mona go campaign. All this campaign for social media. Person no 1 year again. Person no 1 year again. Mona suffering. Obungbe. The fire too much. Mona come out for the fire. Buhari, he come back. Una no rest. 2020 they call now. Una say Obaseki must not come. If Obaseki can't come, if they can't vote am in, those people wey just dey talk and say Obaseki must not come, wetin una wan come do? Wetin go come happen? Me I no know as una take dey do something. Una wan campaign for una country, una dey another man land, una sit down for there, una dey campaign, una dey shout. You no go house make you go dey shout, make people for know the reason wey you say make dem not vote for person. Thank God say the one wey dey do for social media, na social media dey die put. Because those people wey dey for house, they no even dey lis ten, they no wan care. Wetin dem dey talk say, why una no come back, una come dey tell us? Because the one una dey talk for social media, they no dey hear. Una go ITV, una go talk am for there. Now give the reason, make dem dey follow. All this una every day. Na so all this one, na so all that one, na so. And I still hear say, Owi da answer. They say Owi da answer dey swear for people. Owi da answer. Who you call dey swear for say if dem no vote Obaseki? Thank God say Edoya Ekpitan where no more bogboma, omana ma soma, I will not sell your man. So that your own don't just nobody even know whether you talk safe, because the course where you course na inside your room for the night you for talking. So na inside your house for the next day. Now by force to vote for person. Not be by force to vote. People they will not even they come and say they want go vote. They know they vote anybody again. Even we were there for years, we know they vote anybody again, because if this one come, now the same thing go do. If that one come, so no, we know they even they vote safe, because you know they change anything. When you go the cause for people say, who no vote Obaseki, na so. You don't know say now you now be the number one where the cause go follow, because you know they go Nigeria go vote. Abi you want go? If you go, your brother say no one vote for Obaseki. You know she said the cause where it cause don't follow now. Now by force, why you go the 30 person say they not vote Obaseki? Now you go talk am. Why you not go sit down for us? May you they follow Obaseki the campaign. Say na good man, see what he don't do. Now you want talk am. Now you there for that Benin for. Now you there for you sit down for that Benin for how many years? The years where Obaseki take there, you there. Now the one where they tell now say Obaseki do now they see. May you carry your load, may you go sit down for 4 years. Where you want to rule go, whether you go rule, may you go see whether you really do something. Not be so now see one something now say Obaseki try. I not come here come say Obaseki you try, you not try, because I not there. So now people where they has now they talk can not be we where they decide. For a power and amigo. I know say this one I go say this woman, not just I go still talk can, because you say you go Nigeria. We not see your party. We not know the party where you belong to. You say we will go Nigeria. You want go vote Obaseki out. We still there here. We still they look. You not do anything. You not do anything, because many people believe in you. Say if this man go, we go Nigeria. Go vote for now. You not go. What make you not go? You not come talk am. But you they campaign. You they shout Obaseki not good. If Obaseki not good, which person you come bring come out? May we vote for. You not bring any, you not talk anything, but you they say not good. All these things, when are they do? And me, I don't understand anyway. Because many people believe in you. Say, if this man really come and say, he want go Nigeria, he want go do governor of Edo State, they say they will follow you. They will go vote. Since Obaseki not good, may they put another person. But you not go, but you they shout. Now you shout pass, because since Obaseki you enter, now you start to the collar. Now you start to the talk, say not do anything, a bad person, a this one, a that one. But you now when you say you good, you not come at me, you not go there at those states to me, you say, I'm gonna come vote for me, or I don't come. You not go. You don't see. You not see. Wanna leave that man alone. Wanna leave her alone. Wanna let people wait there for that at those states, make them decide. Make them decide for themselves, because now then they stay there. Person where really say he want fight for a country, go a country, go sit down for them. Really they fight them for them. Don't be saying now come sit down for another man land, now they shout for you. Obaseki you must go. Obaseki you must stay. Obaseki you must go. Obaseki you must stay. Waiting. The Obaseki na your brother. Bini, see am. No see us we dey eat ourselves. That make me they talk and say we Bini, we not like ourselves. What Shomole come and see anybody where come from a village, come they shout. Where come they talk say Shomole not good. Why then why not get sense? You know they. If Obaseki really not rule again, now say another person na enter. More than they watch another person not come and come they disgrace his brother for social media. You know, come and now our own now we dey do and pass. Now about we mama gbe. Because we don't like ourselves. We just dey pretend. We can pretend we Bini. Some of them, for this side, because me not Bini. Some of them, they can pretend when they say that they're good pass. Eh? Wagbera iwa wagiere na no la egbe. Wage one me no la egbe. Bini we dey pursue ourselves they go. We dey pursue ourselves they go. Obaseki must not come. Obaseki must come. Me o come see if Obaseki really win. If he win, what una o come do? Eh? Una want campaign. Una not go Nigeria go campaign. See Obaseki no go. The one na not vote for now. Na fraud o. Na this one una not go there. Who they watch una? People where they those village where like no dey. Nothing say that they see una. They know they see wetin na they talk o. I be all these women where they go market. They don't even know whether not they talk because if you they go sleep. They break their commot. Now what they use their eye to see for that Benin, for that those state. Now I make them they say they want vote person or they don't want vote person again. Not be the one that they talk for the mouth. I bet my brothers and sisters now this short one now I just get because if you see now I'm not me go na Benin. This Obi dancer na Benin. Abat na Benin. Tony Kabaka na Benin. What a shame. You know see now? Shame. Una not even una shame not dey una eye. Una dey fight una self. Eh? Obaseki na Benin. No be shame. Who go come again? Who go come one and not use and take shot? Even though another person come, say na another tribe na he come. Even though now they use and take the shot, now so he tribe go come and go call the defender. You go say na lie they work well better. Wow, no, we not the defend. Even though say he do, say we will say he not do at all. Even though say he do, we go say they not do. That's all we be. That's all we be. Because that's all we dey take the do. I bet my brothers and sisters now just short one because if you just enter social media, Obaseki must not come back. If you go the other side, Obaseki must come back. If you which one I can't dey again? Me I don't know the one where they dey. Me I not dey for anyone. Obaseki come o, he not come o. It not be my headache. Me no because me I not dey there. I not dey that Benin where I go say I go dey shout put. People where dey now go talk am. Where I dey now go dey shout. The country where I dey now go dey shout for their head. Say this one must come, this one must not come. Not be where I not dey. Because I don't know whether I want to go put them for the good road. I've been at the bad road now. I want to go put them. Because I feel the shots now say now what I hear now make me the shots say Obaseki no good. I'll say man I not vote for them. Maybe the other one where they come once pass Obaseki. Or because me I the reason now. Now where I dey now I know what they do, what they not they do. Where I not dey. That Nigeria ask me not dey. Me not know what they happen for them. Now what they tell me. Now I go say okay now so it be. Okay now so it not be. Because now where you dey now you know what they go on. Don't be waiting they say. Now so they say do and now so it not your eye rich. Your eye not rich. I bet my brothers and sisters now small thing I just say me I don't because all this nyama because we Bini nyama if you go this side nyama Obaseki must come Obaseki must not come. Mo na gbere yin wo wan gbere wan maybe put if Obaseki come come. If he come out no be another person go come. If he come out another person go still come. Now so we be we Bini. We know that we dey pretend say we like ourselves. Obaseki just come. He never reach 6 months. Na ke waya go. Till tomorrow. Now Obaseki matter next days for social media. You where they use and tell the shout, you not go house, make them vote for you, make them say that you come good pass. If Obaseki not good, another person go still come out. You go come make your reason why you don't want me to stay there again. Tell people where they house, make you buy ticket, you go there. Go for ITV. Now tell the night that they watch, they know they watch social media. Go tell them, say, see what make you say, make them not vote for them. Then from there, they'll tell you say you are right or you are not right. Now they house, not be the one on the top for social media. My brothers and sisters, I beg me, I just leave now from Untouchable Mama. I beg anybody who listening to this audio now know me. If you want just make your comment, make them straight away. if you use and take us me, I go block your head because I don't get time. I don't want make person come even the list itself. Good people where they know what they talk, they know say what this woman talk na real true because I know if they another man country. Me I dey shout for my people where they for Nigeria say, more na vote this one, more not vote this one. What it concern me concern we are not there. You not there, you don't know what you they do. Nya o wanama lie, even na ya boy here. Since you not there, you don't know what they go on. Not be waiting that they tell you now you content the shout for social media. Make person head, person head one even bust self. So if you like this audio, put like. If you not like and put dislike, not put nyama comment. If you just put nyama comment, because all the way they do I they talk. If you not like what I talk, put dislike. If you like and put like. If you want put comments, not use and say insult me because if you insult me, I'll just block you from my page. I not get time. Now so it reach. My brothers and sisters from Untouchable Mama. One love. I remain your lady Untouchable Mama.